As we have this view inside the Orion spacecraft, on the left is Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen, and in the center of your screen, NASA astronaut Christina Cook. You just heard the call to the crew that the solar arrays are in motion. Ahead of taking a photo, we're looking to get a picture of the crew in the windows of Orion. Photos are the priority of this event, so we'll stand by to see if we still have streaming, but regardless, we will be very excited to share those photos with you as soon as we possibly can. Make sure you follow NASA and NASA Artemis on all social media. That would be at NASA and at NASA Artemis.
Integrity Houston, our saws are in position to take this family portrait. So sometime in the next few minutes, we'd love to invite you to the windows to get it done. Thanks.
Houston Integrity, can you just confirm, do you want us in 4 windows or the 2 middle windows?
We want you to start in 4 windows, so 1 face per window, and we'll see how that looks and go from there. A reminder to set your cabin lighting pretty bright and perhaps illuminate your face so we can see as much as possible.
Okay, we understand that. Before we take our makeshift T-shirt off of there, let's just make sure you can see Christina in window 4 right now.
Checking.
If you look closely right now, you can see NASA astronaut Christina Cook.
That's right, we can see Christina in window 4.
Christina was taking a quick picture of that solar array wing camera as it looks back on her in Orion.
Okay, and you can see read in 3, and you want us to remove window 1 cover then, it sounds like.
Yes.
All right, without illuminating our faces, all 4 of us are in the picture. So, Jenny, we're going to hand it over to you to let us know what we need to do.
All right, copy, we're checking. All right, everybody, we're taking the picture, so say cheese and stay still for about 30 seconds while we perform this photography bracket from the saws.
Okay, we'll freeze in 3, 2, 1, mark.
The Integrated Communications Officer, or INCO, is helping take this picture of the crew aboard the Orion spacecraft, now all smiling in the windows of the place they've called home. Orion is currently 183,883 miles from our home planet Earth, 97,452 miles from the Moon. We've had some great views both inside the spacecraft as well as outside, but this is the first time that we're getting to see the crew and the spacecraft in the same photo. As mentioned previously, we are taking pictures right now, so the streaming quality isn't as great. We look forward to sharing these pictures as soon as we possibly can, and make sure you follow NASA and NASA Artemis on social media.
It's taken a little longer than we thought. Thanks for holding.
Research flat Earth.